A blessed day everyone, it's me again, Teacher Lumaban, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell, to be updated in my videos. This time we will have a general knowledge exercises set 5A. I hope you learned something, and enjoy this video. Please share it with your friends, to also learn about this topic. God bless you always. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Several factors must be assessed to arrive at a sound blank. Letter A, query. Letter B, change. Letter C, problem. Letter D, decision. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, decision. Several factors must be assessed to arrive at a sound decision. For your information, a decision is a conclusion or resolution reached after consideration. Because of profanity, the program is suspended from television. The word profanity means: letter A, history. Letter B, decency. Letter C, obscenity. Letter D, falsehood. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C, obscenity. The word profanity means obscenity. For your information, obscenity, the state or quality of being obscene, indecent behavior, language, or images. A story put together through an exchange of letter is called blank literature. Letter A, fiction. Letter B, classic. Letter C, episodic. Letter D, epistolary. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter D, epistolary. A story put together through an exchange of letters is called epistolary literature. For your information, an epistolary novel is a novel written as a series of documents. The usual form is letters, although diary entries, newspaper clippings, and other documents, which are a check on the executive department by the judiciary in the principal check and balance among branches of the government. Letter A, declaring a legislative measure unconstitutional. Letter B, declaring an act of the President unconstitutional. Letter C, determining the salary of the President and Vice President. Letter D, impeachment of the Chief of Justice of the Supreme Court. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B, declaring an act of the President unconstitutional. The check on the executive department by the judiciary in the principal check and balance is declaring an act of the President unconstitutional. For your information, the executive branch can declare executive orders, which are like proclamations that carry the force of law, but the judicial branch can declare those acts unconstitutional. The judicial branch interprets laws, but the President nominates Supreme Court justices, the Court of Appeals judges, and District Court judges who make the evaluations. Which is the fundamental law of the land? Letter A, Constitution. Letter B, Bill of Rights. Letter C, Civil Criminal Code. Letter D, 10 Commandments. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A, Constitution. The fundamental law of the land is the Constitution. For your information, the Constitution is a body of fundamental principles or established precedents according to which a state or other organization is acknowledged to be governed. Gregoria de Jesus saw her husband charged for treason by fellow Filipinos who have formed the Philippine Revolutionary Forces to fight Spain. Letter A. Jose Rizal. Letter B. Emilio Aguinaldo. Letter C. Andres Bonifacio. Letter D. Marcelo H. del Pilar. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Andres Bonifacio. Gregoria de Jesus saw her husband Andres Bonifacio charged for treason by fellow Filipinos who have formed the Philippine Revolutionary Forces to fight Spain. For your information, Andres Bonifacio y de Castro was a Filipino revolutionary leader and the president of the Tagalog Republic. He is often called the father of the Philippine Revolution. Which is true of metalloids? Letter A. Conduct heat better than metals. Letter B. Conduct heat and electricity better than metals. Letter C. Have properties of both metals and non-metals. Letter D. Conduct heat and electricity less effectively than non-metal. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C. Have properties of both metals and non-metals. The true metalloids have properties of both metals and non-metals. For your information, metalloids an element, e.g. arsenic, antimony, or tin, whose properties are intermediate between those of metals and solid nonmetals or semiconductors. What are the hormones responsible for plant growth, promoting axillary bud growth and apical dominance? Letter A. Auxins and abscissate. Letter B. Cytokinins and auxins. Letter C. Auxins and gibberellins. Letter D. Cytokinins and gibberellins. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter B. Cytokinins and auxins. Hormones responsible for plant growth, promoting axillary bud growth and apical dominance is cytokinins and auxins. For your information, the ratio of auxin to cytokinin plays an important role in the effect of cytokinin on plant growth. More cytokinin induces the growth of shoot buds, while more auxin induces root formation. Cytokinins are involved in many plant processes, including cell division and shoot and root morphogenesis. Which of the following is the correct name for the compound MnF3? Letter A. Manganese, 3, fluoride. Letter B. Manganese fluoride, 3. Letter C. Manganese, I, fluoride, 3. Letter D. Manganese, 3, fluoride, 3. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A. Manganese, 3, fluoride. The correct name for the compound MnF3 is manganese, 3, fluoride. For your information, manganese, 3, fluoride is the inorganic compound with the formula MnF3. This red/purplish solid is useful for converting hydrocarbons into fluorocarbons, i.e., it is a fluorination agent. It forms a hydrate and many derivatives. In a social studies test, 8 students obtained the following scores: 12, 10, 13, 11, 15, 20, 19, 17. What is the median score? Letter A 14. Letter B 15.5. Letter C 16.5. Letter D 17. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter A 14. The median score of 8 students of social studies that obtained the following scores: 12, 10, 13, 11, 15, 20, 19, 17. The computation is: first, arrange the scores ascending or descending like from 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. The n equals 8 because there are 8 scores. Then median is equal to n plus 1 over 2, which means 8 plus 1 over 2, which equals 9 over 2, which is equivalent to 4.5. Count the number from the start and end at the 4.5 number, which is 14 because it is in the middle of 13 and 15. The answer is 14. Simplify: 3x minus 9 over x2 minus 9. Letter A 3 over x plus 1. Letter B 3 over x minus 1. Letter C 3 over x plus 3. Letter D 3 over x minus 3. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C 3 over x plus 3. The simple form of 3x minus 9 over x2 minus 9 is C3 over x plus 3. To simplify, 3x minus 9 over x2 minus 9. The first step is to write the problem as a mathematical expression: 3x minus 9 over x squared minus 9. Factor 3 out of 3x minus 9. Simplify the denominator: 3 multiplied by x minus 9 over x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. Cancel the common factor of like x minus 3. The simplest form is C3 over x plus 3. What are the prime factors of 120? Letter A 2x 4x 3x 5. Letter B 2x 3x 4x 5. Letter C 2x 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 3x 5. Letter D 2x 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 6x 5. Please answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is letter C 2x 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 3x 5. The prime factorization of 120 is 2x 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 3x 5. Which is the same as 120 equals to 2 squared multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Prime factorization can be nicely visualized by creating a factorization tree. 120 can be written as 10 times 12. 10 can be written as 2 times 5. 12 can be written as 2 times 6. 6 can be written as 2 times 3. The end nodes are the prime factors of the number 120.
I hope you learned something about our topic about the general knowledge exercises set 5a. If you learned something in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to also learn about this topic. If you have comments, questions, and suggestions, you can leave a message in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. hoping that we meet again in my next blog, and God bless you always.